kilometers, about 6 kilometers. What's up guys, good morning. I'm back again with another video. It's currently 6 a.m. in the morning and yeah, I'm actually going for my run. I just finished checking out things on the chats and looking forward to some of the things. So if you should materialize, we'll look for an opportunity and yeah, okay, I need to just get ready for the ready.
In the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind.
1 point something kilometer away from the goal. Well, we came from my house to the stadium, and now from the stadium we're heading home, which is like about 6 kilometers. Alright guys, I'm gonna keep up the pace, okay? And one thing I've learned about running is not worry about the distance, not worry about the speed. Just maintain your pace and your technique, okay? That's holding your hands in a 60-degree angle, I guess, and then as if you're drumming. And it was so helpful today.
What's good guys? It's already 8 o'clock and we're back at the chat and yeah, so I'm just gonna be going over what I was looking forward to see if anything I've materialized today for any trade. And yes, so I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing here right now. I'm using TradingView for my analysis. Okay, so I'm just going to be checking up the 3 pairs I trade. Okay, mainly the 3 pairs I trade are USD, USD CHF, GBP USD, and DXY. Okay, I use DXY for intermarket calculation. Okay, so I have my own path here. Price already at the POI, we're anticipating for price to push up, but right now what we'll be checking for is the setup to see that we get an opportunity. We're looking forward to buy because the foreign currency has been tracing bullish. Yeah. These people, as you can see how price pushed up, but we want to see some kind of confirmation that it's wanting to go up from there, more like a break of structure, retracement to fair value gap, and the rest of it. So we got this swing high right here. Is it confirming it? We got this other one right here. But most times I don't usually used to like this kind of reversal swing to the upside. Okay, we have this swing right here. We have this swing high taken out. That's not like a break of structure. Let's look at other place. Let's see what other place. GPY. Okay, price went up. The opening price of it displaced or price came back to the price came up here, swept this low, then got this more like a break of structure right here. Then I'm looking to buy using my feet too on this low, although I don't really like this low, so this current high. The price already came into here, taking this trade right here in this candle. But the other thing we can do is to see if we'll still get an opportunity to be a buyer right here. My stop loss was a little bit below this, and then target this relative report highs right here. And a good trade.
Hi guys, welcome back to this side of the video. So I wanted to talk with you guys on what I've been working on lately. I've been focusing more on focus, consistency, and discipline. Okay, and constantly reviewing my trades and going back and forth to actually repeat something over and over again, which is the same thing all profitable traders have been saying. Just find that same thing, stick with it over and over again, regardless of any loss, and constantly going through my trades and finding each and single ways I could actually improve to become more efficient. Okay, like I will stick out something I've been writing out in each of the trades when I review them and things I see. So the first one is actually waiting for my setup, which is after I do my forecasting. If I'm expecting price to do this, then I'll do this. I'm waiting for price to come to the POI, then I'm waiting for a shift in market structure. Okay, that's shift in market structure, signifying that price is taking out a swing high, signifying that price is ready to actually go to the upside or to the downside. That market structure is the first confirmation after the sweep that price is changing direction, and entry at 0.50 and 0.601 level. So there was this trade I actually took some time, and I found out that I actually did miss the trade after every patient, after waiting for the trade materialization, and I missed the trade, which was because price hit the 0.50 equilibrium level and then expanded to the upside. So I was like, okay, rather than for me to miss the trade and rather not be able to body draw down, because that's why I always try to take in the 0.61 level, not to body draw down. So after missing the trade, a couple of times have happened, I was like, okay, I came to the conclusion I'm gonna be taking my entry at between the 0.50 and 0.618 level in order not to miss the trade and in order not to body a lot of drawdown. Okay, because that will be a discount part if it's for a buy, and then the premium side if it's for a sell. USD CHF plays out first. Okay, I found out there was this highly correlated pairs. There are sometimes that same setup might be happening at the same time, but one might be lagging behind to play out that particular setup. And over a series of trades I've taken, I found that USD CHF plays out first. Okay, so most times when I feel like I've missed an entry because of my limit order, I can also check out other pairs to see if it has the trade has materialized or if I can still capitalize on it, which was example I showed you guys earlier the other day on the previous trade I took, whereby I missed an entry in JBP USD and I checked USD CHF and it was still materializing and I took the buy. Then guys, I just want to bring this to you guys notice. I hope you guys remember that I told you guys that this is a documentation on how I'm trading and how I'm navigating towards learning how to trade and becoming a consistent profitable trader, and not so how to channel. I hope you guys understand that I'm not here to show all these profits. I'm no forex guru and I'm no forex professional. I'm just documenting my journey. I'm hoping that someone out there might watch, find value in it, and then use it to a way it would help them. And if you feel like you want to learn how to trade, there are a lot of information out there that you could just invest in and learn. But one thing you should always know is that you should be very, very careful by the information you're actually consuming, and the people you look up to while trying to learn how to trade in your trading journey is very, very important. So to continue what I was saying, another thing is use market order instead of market execution. So as my personality, I found out series of trade I've taken, I'm not good with market execution, where anytime it comes to market execution, I'm always tense and I'm always feeling FOMO and trying to jump the gun. Okay, but once I place a market order, if I get tagged, then fine, and I allow my trade to run. But anytime I see myself entering a market execution, I don't see myself finding my risk before I'm entering a trade. And you know, if you're finding your risk when you're already in a trade, that's a no-go area. That's something you shouldn't do. You should actually define your risk before you enter a trade. So anytime those times when I see myself entering a market execution, adjusting stop loss, I'm adjusting take profit, then the initial take profit and the initial stop loss I had while I was still analyzing the trade will be tampered with, and I won't get a good risk to reward. So I'm working on using only limit order. Whenever I say I tagged in the other trade, I check the other pair. So that's just a simple way for me to do my thing. I found out again, another pattern I found out is that the rigidity. Whenever I'm doing my forecast, I'm always having this biased mindset whereby if I'm bullish, I'm bullish. Even when the market is actually presenting me an opportunity, I don't want to see it. I'm only waiting for price to come to that level. But I'm also forgetting this saying, which I read from the Trading in the Zone. It says that the market is just what? Printing information, printing movement. That the only thing you have to do as a trader is to find out those, use the movement and information in prints to find the ones that present themselves as an opportunity, and then take a trade without hesitation. Okay, I've seen myself a couple of times. Every time I'm doing my forecast weekly analysis, I'm always rigid, and you just see my setup playing out in the other side, whereby I'm looking forward to the AOI and I'll just totally miss the whole trade. It have happened consecutive times. So I think
one thing I'm now doing is trying to stay neutral in the market. Okay, anything that happens, the market prints the movement and the information, and I use it and see the ones that present themselves as an opportunity and take a trade without any hesitation. So another one is the higher time frame must align.
We're in is that we're in, and regardless of anything, we're going to be sticking to it. Stop loss or take profits. We calculated our risk, and we're letting it play out no matter what. But we later got tagged in the trade right here. Expecting price went up, but expecting price to hit here and continue. The price came down here, hit this. Now, anticipating an expansion to the upside to take out this highs. Like, I think sharing this thing with you guys is just like one of the amazing stuff. The emotions, the judgment, everything that comes with trading. Okay. I was already started making up things in my head about the trade, which is why I stayed the first position. But while I saw price pushing up, I told myself, regardless of anything, just try out the edge. Okay, like what's the worst that can happen? You already calculated your risk, and yeah. And so I think basically I'm just gonna have to do other things I need to do. And just got ready for work now. I'm probably doing laundry. I rested a little bit. And now I'm getting ready to look for my part-time job. Hi guys, it's currently 28th of February, the last day of February. This is actually 18 minutes past 9 a.m. and we hit TP day before yesterday. I think the night on the trade, but I worked morning yesterday at my part-time job, so I wasn't able to maybe conclude the video and updates on the trade so far. And I've been able to do my ASR on the trade, on my thoughts, what happened, and what my actions were. And this is constantly something I've been doing over and over again, and feeding my eyes to constantly see the same thing happening over and over again. And one thing I just want to let you guys know is that I want to share something with you guys as well, which someone shared with me. He said everything takes time, consistency takes time, profitability takes time, mastering your strategy or getting used to your strategy takes time. Just one step at a time. Okay, so as far as you don't give up, you're heading there. So it's just something I wanted to share, and always hope you guys know that it's long time and that trading is not a sprint but a marathon, and that you should keep on going. And yeah, we're just gonna continue with every other thing we're doing, and I'm gonna be coming up with more vlogs and more updates on how I'm going about it, so you guys can see that I have my trading plan plastered up here. So it's more of repeating the same thing over and over again and paying less attention to what every other person out there is doing. Okay, and yeah, we'll be managing my risk. We made risk, I think, about $40 to make $102, and that's really everything trading is all about. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for sticking to this extent of the video. I'm just gonna grab a book and then do some reading. Today what I was expecting in price actually did play out.
It's a silent fighting. I see the light.